Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I am showing you how to make 5-minute Ziploc ice cream. No ice cream machine or fridge is needed. Everything is made in the Ziploc bag. It's so creamy and it takes only 5 minutes. Let's get started. Alright you guys, we're using whole milk for this recipe because we need all the fat and cream we can get from the milk. Start by pouring 1 cup of whole milk into a mixing cup. Next, to make the ice cream very creamy, we're adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. For sweetness, I am adding a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Go ahead and mix everything together, then you're going to set the mixture aside for later. Next, you're going to grab a Ziploc bag. Make sure it's very good quality with a very good seal. Open your Ziploc bag, then pour the ice cream mixture into it. This is where all the magic is going to happen. Go ahead and seal your bag, but make sure you leave just a little bit of air in there. Once the bag is sealed, go ahead and set it aside, then grab another Ziploc bag. We're going to use this Ziploc bag to make a homemade ice cream machine, okay? You're also going to get 4 cups of ice. Open the empty Ziploc bag and pour the ice in there. Next, you're going to grab any kind of salt from your pantry and pour a 1/4 cup onto your ice. The salt will help keep the temperature down while we're making the ice cream. Next, place the ice cream mixture onto the ice and seal the second Ziploc bag. Go ahead and cover the bag with a kitchen towel. Then here comes the best part. We're going to shake. Shake it really hard for 5 minutes. You're going to shake this like it owes you some money, okay? This is the only exercise that will help you lose weight and gain it right back. After all that work, this is what you end up with. Instant 5-minute creamy ice cream. Look at all that creaminess. It's nice and frozen. This isn't the healthiest ice cream, but you can eat it and feel good about it, girl, because you worked really hard for it. If you guys would like to make this yummy 5-minute Ziploc ice cream, go ahead and check out the description box. I have all the ingredients and measurements there.